Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to change profile picture in Windows 10 PC. For this, click on this one Start button, then select Settings, then click on this one Accounts option in the Settings window. On the Settings window, select this one Your Info in the left sidebar. On the right sidebar, scroll down to the bottom and under Create Your Picture, you can use camera or use this one option browse for one to pick a image from your PC, then navigate through and then choose your image you want to set as your profile image, then click on this one choose picture. It will immediately change your selected image as your account profile picture.